In this video, I'm going to show you how to do data export. There are several ways you can do it. For example, you want to export this image. You can right-click this. You probably can right-click on the right image as well. So there's export image function there. And that was the same function as if you click the tool bar button, which is this one. So it's basically creating the figure for export. So you have several options. You can export the left image, which is this side. You can export the right one. I can export both. For example, let's say both. So now you have images side by side. Then you can do is you can further save as your favorite formats, like any of the formats can be opened in another program. So you can also export the analysis data if you have one. If you haven't gone through the analysis part, you can watch the other video for the product analysis. So if you have the data analyzed, you can export the analysis into a workspace. That's only useful for if you have a MATLAB. So it's not useful for standalone application of the image metrics. So it's only useful for the app version of the image metrics. So you can export the analyzed data to your MATLAB variables in the MATLAB workspace. You can also save the analysis. For example, if you have flattened all the images, right? You want to save the flattened results. Now you can click the save button. This basically say, okay, it cannot be saved if now the images are analyzed. So what you need to do is you need to analyze it before you can save it. So let's go ahead and analyze them. So the only thing you need to do is just click the analyze button. So all this does is basically to analyze the image, and now it's analyzed and basically analyze how many particles is in this image based on the mask that we chose. So basically the masked area are isolated, and the statistics, the parameters of each isolated mask region, they are being analyzed as each individual particles. So right now we have analyzed, and as you see, it's analyzed, it's labeled in the title, and then you have how many number of particles are analyzed. It shows you everything. Now you have one image analyzed. You can do the same thing for 3 images right now, so I can do the same thing for other images. But the only caveat is only the analyzed images, so only this one image can be saved because the other images are not analyzed. But you can analyze all 3 images and save 3 of them. But if they're not analyzed, they're not going to be saved. So right now I can click the save button. And I can specify the file name. So it already give you the date, time, and like you can save multiple files. So it shows you like from which file to which file. If you have multiple files open, you can save these to a place, and later you can open them from image processor doing the same procedures. For analyzed data, you can simply load them. I don't have any analyzed data here, but let's assume this is an analyzed saved one. So you can just simply load and click open. The other way you can do it is you can choose the file format indicator, choose the last one, save analysis. So this will specifically recognize the .mat form. I mean the file with a .mat extension, but that's the format that we save for our analyzed data. So alright, that's so much for data export.